Welcome to Flow with Darja and this gentle emotional release yoga practice. Today we'll release built up anger and stress through mindful movements and breath. This is your space to shake off what no longer serves you and return to calm. To begin this class, come to stand in the middle of the mat, standing with hip width distance apart. Close your eyes if that feels safe to you, and roll your shoulders up and back as you allow your heart to lift gently. Feel your feet grounded in the mat, pressing through all four corners of your feet as you begin to connect with your breath. Breathing in, allowing your belly to expand. Breathing out, letting your breath to release completely, pulling your navel towards the spine. Allowing each breath to soothe you, bringing the attention inward, calming your nervous system. And we'll take a couple of rounds of lion breath to let go of anger, stress, or any other emotion you might be holding on. So breathe all the air out. Inhale deeply through your nose. Then exhale forcefully through your mouth with your tongue extended, making a ha sound. Inhale. Exhale, extend your tongue. 2 more. Try engaging your core this time as you forcefully exhale, releasing any tension and frustration. Now take a big inhale and exhale it all out. Let's continue with shaking off stuck energy. So start shaking your hands, gradually making the movements bigger, including your shoulders, letting go of anything no longer serving you. Now include your knees, gently bouncing up and down as you continue to shake your body, shaking out your feet now, alternating between your right and left. Allowing these mindful shaking movements to free you from the emotional burden. And now shake your whole body, maybe jumping up and down. And if you can, take a few more rounds of lion breath as you keep shaking and letting go. Let your movements be messy, imperfect. This is about feeling, not performing. Beautiful. Now start to cool down, finding your standing position, slowly swaying from side to side. Continue to breathe, finding your way to stillness, allowing the new energy to settle. And bring a gentle smile to your face. Let's continue. So ground down firmly to your feet. Then start swaying your arms from side to side, twisting at the waist as you try to keep your hips facing forward. Move with your breath, mindfully connecting your movement with each inhale and exhale. Staying present with your body, letting go of anger, letting go of built up tension. Now start to slow down, making the movements gradually smaller until you come to complete stillness, closing your eyes if they were open. Take a slow, deep inhale and a slow, deep exhale, allowing your nervous system to settle and calm down. Let's continue with goddess squat. So bring the feet wider apart, toes pointed out. Inhale, squat down and lift back up as you circle the arms high. Exhale, squat down, circling the arms down, lifting into half squat. And again, inhale as you squat down, lifting up as you circle the arms high. Exhale, squat down, circle the arms down and in front. Keep going, moving with your own breath. Maybe closing your eyes. Just allow your body to do whatever it wants to do here, making the movements as big as you can. Now last round. Beautiful. Circle the arms to your heart. Heel toes your feet hip width distance apart, allowing your breath to settle. Now come to stand at the top of the mat. Inhale, circle the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat and step your right foot back. Inhale, lift up, reach the arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, sink low, high lunge. Another inhale. And exhale, swing your arms down towards the mat. Inhale to lift. Exhale to swing. Keep going. Imagine with each swing, releasing your anger, releasing the stuck emotions. Really emphasizing the exhales, engaging your core and pulling the navel in. 2 more. And 1. Good. Now circle the arms down and step back to downward facing dog. Bend the knees slightly, finding that beautiful long spine. Now we'll move into our last movement of the class before we stretch it out. So give it your all, okay? So lift your gaze and step your right foot forward. Inhale to lift up, arms high. Exhale, sink low. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, hinge forward and swing your arms down. Keep going. Letting go of everything you've been keeping in. Two more, and 1. Now circle the arms to the mat and step the left foot to meet the right, forward fold. Clasp the opposite elbows for a ragdoll pose. Keep a slight bend in your knees and start to gently sway from side to side. And shaking your head no. Nodding your head yes, releasing tension from your neck. Release your hands to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to lift. And exhale, step back, downward facing dog. Take one cleansing breath here. Before releasing your knees down, cross your legs and roll over to a seat with your knees bent in front. Hold on behind your thighs and roll yourself onto your back for a supine twist. So keep the knees bent, arms by your side, then lift your hips onto the left just a few inches. Then lift the bent knees, inhale to prepare, and exhale slowly lower your knees over to the right. Placing your right hand on top of your left knee to gently guide the knees down. Rest here as you breathe and allow the peace and ease to take over your being. Gently come back through the center. Then lift your hips over to the right just a few inches. And with an exhale, lower your knees over to the left. Settle into stillness, calming down your nervous system. Gently lift through the center, hugging the knees in. And when you're ready, release for a last resting pose, Supine Butterfly. Soles of the feet together, knees open wide, one hand resting on your belly and the other on your heart. And before we settle into much deserved stillness, take 3 lion breaths. Allow your breath to come to a natural rhythm. As you rest here, notice the energies moving through your body, healing you from the inside out. Notice how much lighter your body feels now, like the weight of that emotion has finally moved through you. Take a deep inhale And a deep exhale. And with the help of your hands, bring your knees together. Hold on behind your thighs and roll yourself up to a seated position. Rest your hands on your knees and allow your eyes to close. And take a moment to notice how you feel after emotional release yoga together. And if this practice helped you release and reset, let me know in the comments. I love to hear how you feel after this emotional release. Let's finish as always. So inhale, reach the arms high, palms together. Exhale, arms to your heart as a sign of gratitude towards yourself and our practice together. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. Use this anytime you feel tense or angry. And please give that subscribe button a big hug and nudge the like button with your hip. And if you've been chasing your goals but haven't quite reached them yet, check out my free 7-day Dream Life activation and step into your dream life with ease right now.